just what we need. All right. What's up guys? Today we're going to be adding 100 more horsepower to the IS300. How are we going to do that, you might say? It's already freezing cold out here. Everybody knows cold air automatically gives your car plus 5 horsepower. But what I bet you didn't know is that with speed holes in your hood, you'll get an extra 100 horsepower. The Simpsons have been predicting the future for a long time. But what you didn't know is that Homer Simpson is also a world-renowned mechanic, aeronautical engineer.
What you diddly doing, neighbor?
I'm putting speed holes in my car. Makes it go faster.
Is that so?
We're going to be applying his method of speed holes to this car right here. If this is your first video of mine, lucky you, because my content is mid. But today it's going to be mid plus. You might be saying to yourself, the IS300 has an intake system that goes over the engine. You're going to hit the intake system. That's highly likely because this car comes equipped with independent throttle bodies. Now, we don't really want to destroy this engine, so this is going to be super sketchy. Let's get this thing started, shall we? That's a pretty good looking speed hole. This is so stupid. Alright, we got our speed holes. Now, the air should flow into the hood, into the ITBs, into the engine, and give us 100 more horsepower. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look at all these air holes. Looks like we caught the timing chain cover, which held up pretty good, because a little bit more pressure, and this thing would have probably snapped. We got a little debris there. I should probably get this debris off the engine before we start it back up. Let's take this thing for a spin and see what our power gains are now. All right, let's go see what this baby will do. I think we're gonna be pleasantly surprised with our results. Oh my God! I feel all the horses. Some of you guys know that I like to order merch from some of the guys that I watch. So this time I ordered the $100 mystery bundle from Samet, and this literally showed up as I was doing this, which was kind of insane. So the timing of it is absolutely perfect. Anyhow, so let's see what we get. The way I understand it is basically it's like New Year's or something like that in Japan. So they sent us some stuff that's going to be like related to the new year and everything too. Let's see. Awesome. That's pretty sweet. That is so cool. A Daikoku PA parking pass. A Samet. Is that a toe strap? I'm going to need this one day. This is actually amazing. Like, this car needs that. Not I mean, for no in particular reason, as you can see. An air freshener. Ooh, that one's tough. I have a Legends air freshener. When it wears out, this one will surely go in the car. Samet jet tag, which is awesome. And another air freshener, which is kind of sick. I like that. It's pretty cool. I think there's one more thing in here. Oh, I know what that is. You can never have too many of these. It's actually kind of nuts that you can never have too many of these, because when one goes down, you need another. So this, man, I'm really excited about whatever this is. But let's check out this shirt real quick. Okay, so the shirt is the HKS shirt. This is super duper sick. I love this. I can't believe I got this out of a mystery pack. And then the engine, we got some engine stickers. Hopefully there's a 2JZ in here. We got a 1JZ GTE, RB28, SR20. Any more? And that's it. See, this is gonna make me want to actually do a 1JZ swap. That's so far in the future though. Like, I don't even know. Plus people kind of like the ITBs. And then this is gonna be, oh my gosh. It's a cup. It's one of the metal bottles. That is so sick. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It's got like this raised, that is so nice. Yeah, all the graphics on it are raised, so it's like got this really nice feel to it whenever you touch it. Anyhow, that's that. Figured I'd share that part with you. I appreciate you guys watching, like always. So let's see if we can get to 500 subscribers. You know, we're I think 125 at the moment, and the goal is 500 at this point. So hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Peace.